So today we're touring a house, and I know we've toured a few cool houses, but this one is really next level, as you can see. So I'm here with Jamie, who is the real estate agent for this house. So she's gonna show me around because she knows like ins and outs of this house.
So we're here at the Summit. It's a guard-gated community at the top of Beverly Hills, and this house is 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and 8,140 square feet. So let's go check it out.
All right, now we are inside the house, and it's pretty incredible in here. You see the view right as you walk in. Walking over here, it's like a very specific style in here. Very bright.
So these are custom tile mosaics done by Bisasa. So this side is like a silver, this side has a gold tile. The owner tells me that they're 24K gold and silver. So
that's amazing.
They have to be like hand laid one by one, so it's kind of crazy, right? It's all very high-end Christopher Guy furniture, and then you have, you know, the views from like every room, which is amazing.
So this is kind of like a family room.
Yeah, living room.
Yeah, living room.
Yeah. So these are porcelain tiles, and then of course the detail is it's all like hand done. And then the owner put in these backlit columns, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, and I saw upstairs they change colors. Do they?
Yeah, they don't change colors down here, just in the master bedroom. Yeah,
still pretty crazy. They're like lit back
yeah.
Like, that's
so at night, it looks really amazing when you see the sparkling lights outside.
Yeah.
And you have the lighting inside here. It could be sold with the furniture or without. It's negotiable.
Yeah, they're like either way.
And this room is really cool. It has these custom moldings up here.
Oh, that is really nice.
From here, it has really cool, unique features. If you want to take a look at that.
Yeah, this I've never seen anything like this.
So it's pretty cool when water comes out like that.
Yeah. Even like the where it's standing is pretty unique. I like the bowl. I like when houses have this sort of like
yeah.
Then walking over to the other side of the house, we're going to check out the kitchen.
Also, the countertops here are underlit too. So at night it looks amazing. Yeah.
Yeah. I love this. Do you know what this sort of stone is?
It's just like a special type of granite.
Yeah.
Yeah. They told me it was really hard to find like one huge piece like this.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah. So it's kind of like irreplaceable, but
yeah, there's a lot in this house that's just I've never seen it anywhere in another house.
I know.
Another great feature of this kitchen is the built-in espresso machine and massive refrigerator. Like my arm span. That's so cool.
So over here you have a little breakfast area. So we have a little breakfast nook right here, and then you can go outside too to have your coffee. There's a little seating area, a little fire pit.
This is crazy.
Yeah, I don't know what brand it is, but it's a very cool table for sure. But it's kind of dangerous. You have to be really careful.
It's so cool
to not hit your knee.
Off of the breakfast nook is a second living space on the main floor, again with an incredible view, a bar, and even a wine cellar.
It has a little bar here, and then behind it there's a wine cellar.
Love a wine cellar.
And then you can go out to the pool from here. You can go out and down to the pool, and there's another little seating area right here.
And this pool is a dream, you guys. I want to jump in, but
yeah, it's a
kind of cloudy out.
So
nice, so better for your hair.
Exactly.
Yeah. Another feature of the main level is a theater room. Okay, this couch, you really sink into it.
Yeah.
Like, this is comfortable. I could definitely stay here all day. And are these karaoke mics?
Yeah. It's a perfect karaoke room.
If you guys know me, I bought a karaoke mic on Amazon, and it's the best thing ever. And they have 2 actually.
Oh yeah, and there's an elevator here, so it goes up and downstairs. It's a 3-level property, so.
Of course, gotta have an elevator. We're taking the elevator. Wow, I mean, this is a solid elevator. Really smooth. You know, how some elevators you're like, whoa. Should I get you in this? I feel like yep. 3 people fit comfortably in here.
Fit 4.
And that was a very smooth landing.
You're right.
And just like that, we are on the 3rd floor. If you're not feeling the elevator though, you can of course take the stairs. It has this beautiful tiling all along the edges, a very intricate railing, and motion sensor lights that turn on before you even take a step. I think it's everyone's dream when they're younger too to have like a grand spiral staircase.
Right, and these are Christopher Guy chandeliers. And then here's the master bedroom. This is where the magic happens.
And
you got the light up
colorful ones this time. So in here, I can't believe how white this is. Like this has got to be a lot of work to keep clean.
Yeah, it is, definitely. But it looks amazing. It's always bright. And so you have your bedroom area over here, and you have a nice sitting area over here, and then of course your own balcony.
Of course.
So it's a little hazy today, but you can see the whole valley.
Yeah, it feels like you're in a castle up here.
Yeah. You see like all kinds of like hawks and birds.
That's so
and
cool.
Like you can see the airplanes. It's really nice. Have it terraced. The hillside is all terraced, and this is all part of the property. And there's a lot of fruit trees, all different kinds of trees and plants. So over here is the master bathroom. It's actually very impressive. This is one of the best parts of the
expectations are
house.
high. What?
Yeah.
Look at this. Are you kidding? Not one, but 2 bathtubs.
2 bathtubs with incredible views, of course, and then you have your shower, a steam shower, and then 2 vannities.
This bathroom is bigger than my room, which is a trend with a lot of these like big houses. Would be like, they don't skimp on the bathroom.
No, the bathrooms are huge.
Yeah. And this is cool. It's kind of like a makeup. You could like do your makeup over here if there was a mirror.
Yeah. And all of these like small details, like the poles, they're all like Swarovski, even the towel bars and everything.
The level of detail in this house is insane. Like it's just so unique.
Yeah. So every wall is textured.
Yeah.
Wallpapers. There's the Swarovski crystals everywhere and moldings in every single room.
The rest of the upstairs has 5 more bedrooms. The first one is being used as an office. Even in here in the office, they've got the custom
details on the ceilings.
Yeah.
Even the walls, they have this wainscoting, paneling everywhere. And each bedroom has its own bathroom.
And the towel bar has the like little crystals on it. That's really another level. This isn't one of those like cookie cutter houses.
Yeah, there's like a speaker system, and you can like intercom the
Oh,
rooms
cool.
of the
Like,
house. Dinner
hey,
time.
master bedroom. What's up? Yeah.
So you have your laundry room here.
A house like this gotta have 2 of each.
Exactly.
Probably a lot of laundry. This, okay, when you look at it, you're like, what is this? And it feels like just stone.
I think it's a stone, but it's kind of I don't know, it's very intricate and it's got all this texture. So even the laundry room, they didn't skimp on the laundry room. Everything is very detailed. Next we have another bedroom. This bedroom does have its own little balcony and its own bathroom.
Cool. I like how you can like see that one and be like, hey, my morning coffee.
Yeah, exactly.
So cool. I like how this one also has like kind of a round
shape.
Yeah.
So like the outside of the house is kind of like a Mediterranean-ish vibe, but the inside's like very modern, but still kind of traditional.
They have like differing styles, but I think they're both really cool.
So we're back by the elevator again. This is where we came out, and then there's 2 more bedrooms here.
Ooh, this one has a sitting area.
Yeah, so this one's a kind of like a junior master. It has a sitting area and a bedroom area.
I feel like all these rooms have like the same sort of headboard, but a different color.
Yeah, it's like
Cool.
same style, but a little bit different, a little unique.
Match.
And then you have
let's
a
check out
bathroom
this
here.
bathroom. Okay. Tell me about this.
This is a singing toilet. There's a blue light right here, and then when you press your foot here, you can lift the seat and you can put the seat down, and then you can also flush the toilet. Oh, it just flushed by itself. Who knew?
It just decides on its own. It's like, this is
It's time.
Yeah. The bed and everything. This one's kind of my favorite. And this little closet over here.
Yes, there's a little closet, of course its own bathroom again.
Next, we are heading down 2 flights of stairs to the bottom level of the house, which has all the fun amenities. Right away, we see this sauna that is very generously sized, could easily fit a dozen people, and comes complete with a flat screen TV.
I mean, you could probably fit like, I don't know, 10 people in here.
Sure.
Yeah.
This is the size of like a small bedroom even.
Yeah.
It's huge. Moving on to the next room, we have a very spacious room with doors that open up to the outside. Incredible views, great for entertaining. There's also a full bathroom down here on this level. Aside from the master, this was my favorite bathroom because I really like the tiling in this one. Then heading outside, of course, is the incredible pool. It also has these decorative fountains, a hot tub, a bar, and plenty of space to lay out. Past the pool is a walkway to the terraced lower levels of the yard that is filled with fruit trees of all different kinds. Up on the second level balcony is even more seating areas with unbelievable views. On a sunny day, it's just incredible. It's kind of a shame that we're only seeing the cloudiness here, but here's a photo of what it looks like at sunset. It's just amazing. Thank you so much for showing me around the house.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's a little out of my budget. But if it's in anyone's budget, you can contact Jamie. I'll have her info down below. But seriously, how cool is this house, you guys? Comment down below your favorite part. I think mine was the pool.
I think mine is actually the master bathroom.
Yeah, the master bathroom is a close second. Like, it's insane. But yeah, that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.